Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a Theta wallet. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot. Alright, so this one will be pretty straightforward and I'll try to make it quick for you guys. To create a Theta wallet, you have to go to the official Theta website, and this is it. It's called thetatoken.org. I'll leave a link in the description as well so you can go directly here, and then you click on the wallet tab. From there, another tab will open, and this is the official Theta wallet, and this is how you actually get into your wallet. And we'll circle back to this in a second, but there's three different ways to get in your wallet. Essentially, the Keystore file, mnemonic, which is 12 different words that you enter. It's a backup way to get into your wallet, and then a backup to the backup essentially is your private key, and that's worst case scenario. But we'll start from the very beginning, and we have to go down here, which is create wallet. So from here, we're going to download the Keystore file, and essentially this is a two-part way to essentially enter your wallet. So you have to drag and drop the Keystore file into this page right here, and then you have to enter your password as well. So let's create that password. All right, and then we'll check the box saying I understand that Theta cannot recover or reset my password or the Keystore file. I will make a backup of the Keystore file password, then keep them secret and complete all wallet creation steps. And essentially that's saying, there are some scammers out there. They will try and take advantage of you. So they're letting you know that official Theta members will never ask anything of you, especially if it has to do with your wallet. And we will download the Keystore file. Alright, so the Keystore file, it'll open up in this file explorer, and essentially it is the public address, and then the file type is a Keystore file, and we'll just hit save. Alright, it is saved. And next, there is two different things we're going to do. The first one is the mnemonic phrase, and like I said, this is a backup in case you forget your Keystore file or you lose it somewhere. You can get into your account with these 12 words. Now these 12 words are supposed to be recovery words, so like I said, to recover your wallet in case something happens. Follow the warning here, never show it to anyone else, and then keep it somewhere safe. So we'll look at it, and then 12 words which allow you to recover your wallet. Back up the text below on a piece of paper and then keep it somewhere secret and safe. The easiest way to do this is write it down, like I said, on a piece of paper and then put it in two separate locations, whether that be in a desk, under your bed, wherever is safe for you is where you should keep this. So copy this, and then for YouTube I'll just put it in a notepad real quick. Alright, so I will just paste this into a notepad like I said, and that is my mnemonic phrase. And then the next thing we want to keep also very, very safe is the private key. And I wish Theta actually made this a little bit larger to see, because it's very easy to skip past, but you click this button right here, which is view my private key. Alright, so once again, back up this text on a piece of paper. This is a backup to your backup. So in case you lose your 12 words, in case you lose your Keystore file, this is the last resort to get into your wallet. And then this one you definitely want to keep safe, because if anyone has access to this address right here, they can get into your wallet. So we will copy this, like I said, put it into that notepad, and then boom, we have the two essential things that we need, backups, to get into our wallet. So we'll close this, and then we will continue. All right, creating wallet is just that easy. Let's unlock it. And then kind of like I said before, here are the three different ways to get into the wallet: the Keystore file, and then we'll drag and drop it, the mnemonic. So those 12 words that we had before, actually they are still right here. So we would just enter these 12 words into this area right here, and then we would enter a temporary session password, and we'd be able to get into our wallet. And then the last way is to enter the private key, which is that long text code that we had before. We would enter it right here and then enter a temporary password. It could be anything you'd like, and that would also unlock your wallet temporarily. Just long enough where you could, send your funds to another wallet where you would have the Keystore file to it. And then the last way, I won't get into it too much in this video, but you can also use a Trezor or a Ledger in order to add an additional layer of security. But like I said, that's more so for a different video. All right, so I'll show you how to get into the wallet real quick. All right, so you want to open up your File Explorer and then track down where you saved your Keystore file. Once again, it's a file type Keystore file, and then we're just going to drag and drop it onto the web browser. All right, there is, one half of the battle. The other half is just entering that temporary password. And then all we have to do is hit unlock wallet. And we are in our wallet. So just a brief overview of the Theta wallet while I got you here. Here is your public address. You can hit the little clipboard to copy that to your clipboard. You can send Theta or TFUEL from your wallet. All you have to do is enter an address, and it's just as easy as copying and pasting that address, and then you can send a balance as much as you would like. There is a small transaction fee of 0.3 TFUEL. And then receiving is just as easy. Someone needs to send you Theta or TFUEL to your public address, and then or they can take a picture of this QR code and also send that way. Staking, I won't get into it in this video, as well as writing smart contracts, not in this video, but you have the ability to do that from your wallet as well. And that is a big picture overview of how to create a wallet on the Theta official website. And if you guys like this content, like I said, please like and subscribe to the channel. It does mean a lot.